South India and the rise of the Cholas. Under this subtopic inscriptions. The Ashokan inscriptions describes about the historical facts of Chola Empire. The earliest copper plate inscriptions dated from 10th century shows the records about Chola dynasty. These inscriptions are important because they provide us detailed information about way of the quote Savas, or it tells us about the Sava. It had separate committees to look after irrigation facilities, gardens, temples, and choosing members of such committees during the time of Chola dynasty. South India and the rise of the Chola dynasty. A description about Brideshwara temple. This is a richest temple at Tanjore. Rajaraja alone donated huge amounts of gold, treasures, jewels, utensils, which was his war booty. The temple was looked after by 400 dancing girls, 212 men servants, including dancing masters, musicians, goldsmiths, and accountants. This is one of the most famous temples during the time of Rajaraja I and Rajendra Chola. Short description about the political history and administration of Rajaraja I of the Chola dynasty. Rajaraja I ascended the throne in 985 century and took the titles such as Rajakeshari, Arunmali, and Mumudi Chola. His last conquest were destruction of the Chera navy at Trivandrum, Madurai from Pandya, Krug, Kilan, and the western Ganga territory. He annexed the northern territory of Ceylon and to the south some provinces of the western Chalukyas. He is known to have conquered Maldives also. He made Polonnaruwa his capital. He was one of the greatest kings of South India. He was multi-talented, conqueror, good administrator, a tolerant ruler, and a patron of arts and literature. He efficiently administered his newly conquered territories and worked for the local self-government. Rajaraja first built the magnificent Rajeshwara temple at Tanjore. He was tolerant towards all religions. He constructed numerous Vishnu temples. A short political history and administration of Rajendra I. Rajendra I was an able and worthy ruler after his father Rajaraja I of Chola kingdom. He was very best in public affairs and created a great empire. He conquered the Pandyan and Chera territories and made Madurai the headquarters for his political affairs. He also attacked the western Chalukyas and Palas of Bengal. He attacked Orissa, western Bengal, Srivijaya, Sumatra, the Malay Peninsula, and Maldives. Rajendra I was known for his educational policy and made plan for a Vedic college for Vaishnav Hindu religion center. He also built an artificial lake temple famous for its huge lingam made of granite. His reign was 1012 century to 1044 century.